place the bunny directly in the center of the pie crust. And then put it in the oven at 350 for just 5 minutes. Let it melt slightly. Now, while that's in there for 5 minutes, we're gonna make a little chocolate ganache. Half a cup of heavy whipping cream that we simmered. And then a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Get it mixed in until it's somewhat melted. While that's melting, take some vanilla extract, put in 1 teaspoon worth. It's a little trick Kim taught me. Get it nice. Just get a nice ganache. Keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. Keep an eye on that pie crust while it's in there. You don't want the chocolate to burn. So every like 2 to 3 minutes. But it should be about 5 minutes before you take it out. All right, so the bunny is starting to melt. Our bunny is almost, you can see the hollowy, beautiful insides of it. The kiddos are gonna love this on Easter. So let's take that ganache and just let it go around the sides of the bunny. And then finally, we're gonna take some marshmallows. Just do a nice circle around the pie. And there we go. Okay, so we're gonna put this back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Come back and check in on it. All right, let's take a look at our chocolate bunny surprise. It's looking pretty cool. It's got a nice brown on those marshmallows. Okay, so this part's really fun for me. I don't know why. I just love watching it, but we're gonna take a spoon and just slightly flatten each marshmallow. It looks like a chocolate flower now. Just has that like perfect look. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna just let it set for just a few minutes, and then I'm gonna try this bad boy. All right, let's cut into this chocolate bunny surprise. Look at that. That is looking good. Oh, y'all know the kids are gonna love this one. And the adults with the sweet tooth, like my wife. I gotta get rid of this before she gets home. For her own sake. Let's get that out. That last little bit, there we go. Ooh, look at that. That is so fun looking. All right, moment of truth. Sorry, little bunny. That ganache in there, some of that marshmallow. Come on. That gooey, gooey goodness. Mmm. Oh, that is good, y'all. That is good. That chocolate ganache too with it. Y'all gotta try this for Easter for real.